Hey job seekers, welcome back to My EmployEdge. I'm April, and if you're looking for your next career move, you're in the right place. Today, I've got 3 exciting job opportunities to share with you. So whether you're looking for a warehouse role, a leadership position in marine maintenance, or a quality assurance job in food manufacturing, stick around because one of these might be just what you're looking for. And hey, before we dive in, please help me out. Hit that like button to let me know you enjoy job updates like this. If any of these positions sound interesting to you, drop a laptop emoji in the comments so I know you're tuning in. And of course, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new job opportunity. Alright, let's get into it. If you're looking to join a dynamic team in a role that keeps you active and engaged, then listen up. Cardinal Health in Reno, Nevada is on the lookout for a part-time warehouse associate. As the warehouse associate at Cardinal Health, you'll be a crucial part of their operations, ensuring that medical products move seamlessly from the warehouse to healthcare providers. It's a hands-on role that's vital to keeping the supply chain running smoothly. Now, let's talk about what you'll need to succeed in this position. The good news is, Cardinal Health welcomes candidates with little to no warehouse experience. They provide full training. If you're comfortable working in a fast-paced, goal-oriented environment, you're on the right track. You will need to be able to lift up to 50 pounds, be okay with heights of 20 to 30 feet regularly, and be prepared to bend, reach, lift, and stand for your entire shift. Good verbal and written communication skills are important, and while a high school diploma or GED is preferred, it's not a strict requirement. In terms of responsibilities, your main duties will include unloading trucks using equipment like pallet jacks, checking in products, especially those that need special handling, like refrigerated items, storing products in the warehouse, picking them for orders, and loading them into trucks for delivery. You'll also be expected to multitask, learn new information quickly, and adhere to all quality and safety guidelines. While you'll work under moderate supervision, you'll have the opportunity to solve routine problems and contribute to the team's success. Now the perks. This part-time role offers a pay rate of $18 per hour. You will also enjoy benefits like 401k contributions, paid time off, and access to your wages before payday through their MyFlexPay program. The schedule is set for Monday through Wednesday and Fridays from 6 p.m. to 5 p.m., giving you Thursdays and weekends off to balance your work and personal life. If this sounds like the opportunity you've been waiting for, don't hesitate. The application window is anticipated to close on March 11, 2025, so it's important to get your application in as soon as possible. To apply, head over to Cardinal Health's careers page and search for the part-time warehouse associate position in Reno, Nevada. Joining Cardinal Health means becoming part of a team that's essential to healthcare operations across the country. So, if you're ready to take the next step in your career with a company that values your contributions, apply today. If you're someone with a knack for mechanical and electrical equipment, and you're ready to take on a leadership role, then stick around. Enterprise Products Partners, a leader in the midstream energy sector, is looking for a superintendent of marine maintenance in Houma, Louisiana. As the shipyard marine maintenance superintendent, you'll oversee both scheduled and unscheduled maintenance and repairs for all facility equipment. This means developing work scopes and cost estimates, coordinating material orders and contract services, and leading personnel involved in equipment repairs. You'll also assist in preparing annual budgets and ensure that all employees adhere to enterprise's policies and procedures. Additionally, you'll interact with third-party customers, engineers, and regulatory agencies like the U.S. Coast Guard to ensure everything runs smoothly. To succeed in this position, a minimum of a high school diploma or GED is required, but an associate degree, technical certification, or equivalent training in mechanical and electrical equipment repair is preferred. Experience in coordinating work, including ordering supplies, scheduling contractors, and producing job plans, is essential. You'll need to be proficient in Microsoft Office applications like Excel, Word, and Outlook. The role requires light lifting, squatting, and climbing in an industrial setting. Strong verbal and written communication skills are a must, as is the ability to adapt your communication style to different audiences. Being proactive, flexible, and able to handle multiple tasks under potentially stressful conditions is crucial. You'll also need to maintain appropriate licenses, training, and certifications, and be willing to learn enterprise product-specific business systems and tools. Lastly, you'll need to pass background and drug screenings. In terms of responsibilities, your main duties will include developing work scopes and cost estimates for necessary repairs, coordinating material orders and contract services, and leading personnel in equipment repairs. You'll also assist in preparing and implementing yearly expense and capital budgets, ensure all employees follow company policies and procedures, and interact with third-party customers and engineers on project details and inspections. Additionally, you'll present weekly job progress reports, develop estimates for monthly financial expenditures, maintain dry dock schedules, manage third-party labor forces, and work with regulatory agencies on scheduling inspections and repairs. Now let's get to the perks. Enterprise Products offers a comprehensive benefits package that includes medical, dental, and vision insurance, as well as life insurance and both short and long-term disability coverage. You'll also have access to flexible spending accounts, paid time off, holidays, and educational assistance. The company offers a 401k savings plan with matching contributions and a unit purchase program, allowing you to invest in the company's success. If this sounds like the opportunity you've been waiting for, don't hesitate. To apply, head over to Enterprise Products Careers page and search for the Superintendent Marine Maintenance position in Houma, Louisiana today. If you're passionate about food safety and quality assurance, and you're looking to make a tangible impact in the manufacturing world, then I may have the perfect role for you. Kellanova, a leading name in the food industry, is on the lookout for a quality assurance technician to join their team in Rome, Georgia. As a quality assurance technician at Kellanova, you'll be the frontline defender of food safety during the manufacturing process. Your main mission is to ensure that every product rolling off the line meets the highest standards of quality and safety. This involves validating certificates for incoming raw materials, responding swiftly to any food safety events, and reviewing critical control points to keep everything in check. You'll also play a key role in executing the environmental monitoring program and inspecting processes before startup to make sure everything's perfect. At a minimum, you'll need a high school diploma or GED. Experience in a related field is a plus, but what's most important is your ability to communicate effectively, both verbally and in writing. You'll need to convey complex information clearly and work collaboratively in a fast-paced environment. Being comfortable with Microsoft Office applications like Excel, Word, and Outlook is essential, as you'll be using these tools regularly. Flexibility is key since this role operates on a third shift schedule from 5 p.m. to 5 a.m., with every other weekend off. Plus, there may be times when overtime is needed to keep up with production demands. In terms of responsibilities, your daily tasks will include providing on-shift guidance for all things related to quality and food safety. This means validating certificates of analysis for raw materials, responding to any food safety incidents, and ensuring critical control points are properly reviewed and verified. You'll also conduct plant food safety and security audits, always on the lookout for potential hazards and areas for improvement. Training employees on food safety protocols, conducting daily product evaluations, and supporting plant projects, like introducing new equipment or products, are also part of your role. It's a position that requires a keen eye for detail and a proactive approach to maintaining the highest quality standards. Now for the perks. This position starts at $22.19 per hour, reflecting the importance of the role in maintaining Kellanova's reputation for quality. Beyond the paycheck, Kellanova offers a comprehensive benefits package that includes medical, dental, vision, life insurance, and an employee assistance program to support your overall well-being. You'll also enjoy paid time off and holidays, helping you maintain a healthy work-life balance. For those thinking long-term, there are income protection benefits like supplemental life insurance and opportunities to participate in a retirement plan, ensuring you're set for the future. If this sounds like the opportunity you've been waiting for, don't hesitate. Applications for this position are being accepted through March 7, 2025. To apply, head over to Kellanova's careers page and search for the Quality Assurance Technician role in Rome, Georgia. Remember, all applicants need to have permanent legal authorization to work in the United States, as Kellanova doesn't sponsor employment visas for this role. And there you have it, 3 solid job opportunities, all with competitive pay, great benefits, and room for growth. Whether you're looking for a part-time warehouse gig, a skilled leadership role, or a job in food safety, these companies are hiring right now. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. And if you're thinking of applying, leave me a laptop emoji in the comments. I'd love to know which job caught your attention. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new job update. Thanks for watching My EmployEdge, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy job hunting!